Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. Click the 3 vertical dots at the top right and choose Settings. Once there, go to Appearance so you can access font controls quickly. Make sure Chrome is updated so new options appear and spelled out names match what you see. If you use Managed or Work Profiles, switch to your personal profile now so changes save to the right account. This prevents unexpected restrictions from blocking font changes. Now open Customize Fonts within Appearance to change the actual typefaces. Click each field for Standard, Serif, Sans Serif, and Fixed Width to pick new fonts. You're choosing how Chrome renders page text, so select legible options for reading. Next, use the font size drop-down and the minimum font size slider to balance space versus readability. Once done, Chrome applies changes immediately to most pages. If a site specifies fonts strictly, the site style sheet may override your preferences. Finish by reloading key pages and restarting Chrome to confirm fonts take effect. Some sites cache styles, so a reload helps. If fonts still don't change, disable extensions like Custom Style Sheet or accessibility add-ons that can override your settings and test again. As a last resort, reset the font settings in Customize Fonts or restore Chrome settings to default. This clears conflicting options. If problems persist, check for managed policies under Chrome, // policy, which can enforce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.